Samarth covers a distance in 40 minutes if he drives at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour on an average. Find the speed at which he must drive at to reduce the time of the journey by 25%. Now, he wants to reduce the time of the journey by 25%. So that means the new time will be 40 multiplied by 1 minus 25 by 100. So this comes out as 30 minutes. So now we can say that the ratio of time is equal to 40 minutes is to 30 minutes, that is 4 is to 3. So for the same constant distance, the ratio of their corresponding speeds will be reversed, that is 3 is to 4. Now we know that the original speed is 60, so we can easily find out the new speed by solving this. So now if we cross multiply, we have 4 into 60 divided by 3. So we get the answer as 80 kilometers per hour. So answer will be option D.